I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many
Guys,
years,
welcome
I
back
was
to the
waiting for the
channel. This is
wins.
Jason,
I'm in debt
and
to
you're
no
now
one but
tuned
the
into
one
I
who took my
Speak Geek.
sins.
So today, I actually had a product sent out to me by this company called Sensibo. You may have heard of them. They had the Sensible Air and the Sensible Sky. The Sky, I believe, is the older product. And basically what it does, it allows you to make your thermostat smart. So you're not actually replacing the thermostat, you're actually getting like a dongle that in turn turns your thermostat into a smart thermostat. It's a lot cheaper than buying a brand new thermostat. I actually have the Echo B3, and it was like $249, I think, when I bought it. And the Sensible Air is like $79 on their site right now. I believe it's actually normally 99 bucks, still far cheaper than buying a new thermostat. And again, you take this little dongle, and if you have one of those thermostats that have a remote, then you can go ahead and use this. And there's a mobile app that you download, iOS or Android, and then you can make your old thermostat a smart thermostat. That way you can control it from your phone. You can adjust the temperature or turn it on and turn it off. So like I said, Sensible did send this out to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it unboxed and set up and let you guys know how it is. All right, so I have the Sensible Air in front of me. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what all comes in the package, so you can know what to expect if you pick this up. All right. So this is the actual Sensible Air unit. It tells you the mounting points, and then it's the QR code for the app. And just telling you to download the app. See what else comes in there. So it's power plug and power cable, micro USB, and that's all that comes in the package. So let's get this unit set up and see how it performs. So guys, I just went ahead and downloaded the app for the Sensible Air. And as you can see, the app is pretty straightforward. You can adjust the temperatures here and there. And of course, you can see you can change the mode, the fan speed, and you got an interesting feature, setup climate react. I believe that is when it will adjust the temperature in your house based upon the climate outside. So if it's hot, it's going to make it cooler. And if it's cold, it's going to make it warmer. And then of course you can schedule, when the device turns on and turns off. Events, I guess this may be whenever your device is running, it'll let you know, or if anything happens, it's right there. And also here is where you're able to set up the smart home features. It does support Apple HomeKit, but it doesn't look like it supports Alexa or Google Home. You can also set up geofencing settings, so depending on the location of your phone, it will adjust the temperature in your house. And then of course you can add room sensors, kind of like the Echo B and the Google Nest, where it'll adjust the temperature just based upon who's in the room or if somebody's home. And of course you can add additional users here. But guys, that's the Sensible Air. It's pretty straightforward, a cheap alternative to buying a smart thermostat, but make sure that you have the compatible device before purchasing. And guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you can stay up to date whenever I release new videos.
Matter what, told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a